Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for IELTS or just love learning new vocabulary, today's video is all about 10 advanced words to describe nature and the environment. These words will not only make your writing and speaking more descriptive, but also more impressive. In IELTS Writing Task 2 or Speaking Part 2, you might be asked to describe places, landscapes, or weather. Instead of using basic words like hot, rainy, or green, let's upgrade your vocabulary with more powerful alternatives. Arid. An arid area is extremely dry, like a desert. The region is so arid that hardly any crops can grow there. Pristine. A pristine place is clean and unspoiled by people. Tourists were amazed by the pristine beauty of the island. Inclement. We usually talk about inclement weather when it's stormy or rough. The match was postponed due to inclement weather. Lush. Lush describes something that is green and full of life. The valley is famous for its lush vineyards. Desolate. A desolate place feels lifeless and deserted. After the fire, the once lively town looked desolate. Torrential. This means falling rapidly in large quantities. In England, we often say torrential rain. The camping trip was ruined by torrential rain all weekend. Sparse. Sparse means that the population is spread far apart. Vegetation in the desert is sparse due to the lack of water. Verdant means it's green with grass or other rich vegetation. The countryside was verdant after weeks of rainfall. Scorching can mean dangerously hot. We had to stay indoors because of the scorching summer heat. And finally, fragile. Nature can also be fragile. Ecosystems are easily damaged. The coral reef is fragile and must be protected from pollution. So those were 10 advanced words for describing nature and the environment. Next time you describe a place, try using one of these instead of using basic words like dry or green. For example, I visited a pristine beach with crystal clear water. Sounds much stronger than I visited a nice beach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And tell me in the comments, which of these words would you use to describe your hometown? See you in the next lesson.